Spectrum. We have just packed up most of the house and this is the big day. We are moving out of this house. My room is completely empty apart from my bed, like seriously. This is no joke. There's like nothing in my cupboard either. Yeah, apart from those 2 dresses, we've got nothing in my room. And that spider up there. Goodbye, Jimmy.
So this is our last night in the house.
Oh, is this like a Q&A or something? Questions and answers?
Well, I had a question and I asked you.
So I guess it is.
Yeah.
Yep. It's a bit scary.
Scary?
Yeah.
What's scary about it?
I don't know, just the fact that we have actually bought a boat. You guys are coming with us and we're going to sail the world.
Woo!
So I have just arrived on Spectrum and it feels very weird, like I'm on someone else's boat still, and I feel like someone's going to come along and say, excuse me, get off that boat. It's very peaceful though. Gentle rocking. Yeah, the creak, tink tink of metal on metal. So yeah, visited a few times now and this is day of moving in. So it's very weird, but very exciting. So I'd like to show you where we're going to sleep because everyone wants to know where we're sleeping. And there's not a lot of space, but we're going to make it work. So that is going to be the double bed for Jeff and I. There's a single there, but that'll be for sitting on. And then Ava has this space up the front, which we've pulled apart because we're looking at storage. But she's got a proper little space of her own, and then a hatch to get outside. So I can't wait to make that hers. And then we've got the back into the saloon. I think I called it the galley earlier, but that's actually the saloon. And then our kitchen, and then a man in his happy place. Just in case you're wondering, this little man is going. Sorry, previous owners, but he's a little bit creepy. No, you're off, buddy. Walk the plank.